Intro. Welcome to our detailed review of the Audi R8, a car that perfectly blends luxury with high-performance engineering. The Audi R8 has been one of the most iconic sports cars ever since its debut, offering a thrilling driving experience backed by Audi's cutting-edge technology and design. Known for its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and track-worthy handling, the R8 is a dream car for many enthusiasts. Starting with the exterior, the Audi R8 immediately grabs attention with its low-slung, aerodynamic design. The sharp LED headlights and the signature Audi single-frame grille create a bold front fascia, while large air intakes enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The side profile is characterized by the signature side blades, adding to its unique identity. The rear features a large diffuser, OLED taillights, and a dual exhaust system that gives it an aggressive look. The lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber construction help improve performance by reducing weight while maintaining structural rigidity. The car sits on 19 or 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a powerful stance on the road. When it comes to performance, the Audi R8 is nothing short of a supercar. It is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, available in two power outputs. The base model produces around 562 horsepower, while the R8 Performance variant pushes out an incredible 602 horsepower. This allows the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts. The legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system provides exceptional grip and stability, making it a joy to drive on both highways and tight corners. The adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride while still maintaining precise handling. Audi has also equipped the R8 with carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring powerful stopping power under all conditions. Moving to the interior, the Audi R8 offers a driver-focused cabin that exudes luxury and sportiness. The cockpit is designed with premium materials, including Nappa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims. The virtual cockpit replaces traditional gauges with a fully digital 12.3-inch display, providing real-time performance data and navigation. The flat-bottom steering wheel comes with multifunction controls and even features an engine start button, inspired by race cars. The center console is minimalistic, with a clean layout that includes climate controls and a touchpad for the infotainment system. Audi's MMI system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The bucket-style sports seats offer excellent support during spirited driving while maintaining comfort for long journeys. Although it's a two-seater, the R8 provides a decent amount of space for a sports car, with enough cargo room for weekend trips. When it comes to pricing, the Audi R8 is positioned as a high-end supercar with a price tag to match its performance. The base model starts at around $160,000, while the R8 Performance variant can go up to $200,000, depending on additional options and customizations. Limited edition models and special trims may push the price even higher. While it is an expensive car, the Audi R8 offers an unparalleled blend of performance, luxury, and daily usability compared to its rivals. Overall, the Audi R8 remains one of the